So hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today in this video we are going to be looking at HTML tutorial introduction. Is HTML Hogwarts tutorial learn? What is HTML? HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, etc. This is a simple HTML document. You'll see the result in the last with the web browser section. Example explain the doc type HTML. Declaration defines that this document is an HTML5 document. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page. The title element specifies a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser's title bar or the pages tab. The body element defines the document's body, and it contains for all the visible content such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, etc. The h1 element defines a large heading. The P element defines a paragraph. What is an HTML element? An HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content, and an end tag. So for example, tag name is 1, content goes here is 2, and tag name is 2, and the ending tag name is 3. So the HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag. So these are 1, 2, these are 3, 4, these are 5, 6. Okay, this is the start tag. This is the element containing. This is the h1 element content. My first heading. The end tag / h1 P start tag P element my first paragraph end tag / P. Web browsers. As you can see, this is the thing I was talking about, the code. Now, for example, it will not come in a custom URL. This is the only thingy. This is the only address you get. So let's talk about only a small about addressing. So this is the file area, and this is where the HTML file is located. So here it says my first heading, and here it is my first paragraph. So let's read this. Web browsers. The purpose of a web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, is to read HTML documents and display them correctly. A browser does not display the HTML tags, but use them to determine how to display the document. So thanks for watching. Hope Okay, subscribe, like, and while subscribing also hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates, and bye.